Yesterday the car started making a bad noise. And today Dad and I are gonna do a little diagnosing and we're gonna pray that it's one thing and not another thing. Here we go. Here we are. The first thing we're gonna do is check the oil. Then we're gonna take the belt off and start it without the belt to see if the noise stops. Because that means it's the alternator, which I'm really hoping because I wanted to upgrade that anyway. But we'll see. There's Dad. Hello, Dad.
Hi, everybody.
We have these black marks under the hood right where the alternator lines up. So I'm really hoping that's what it is. We'll see. It's not anything crazy serious.
It's the alternator, no belt, no noise.
Woo!
Okay, we don't want to get it hot.
Turn it on. It was the alternator, which I wanted to upgrade anyway. So, yay. And it wasn't something more serious because that sound was so bad. I just wasn't sure. Thankfully, I have my dad that had his trusty belt removal tool, which I'll put a picture of him with that. But I'm heading to work now and gotta make some money to pay for this alternator now. So have a great day, everyone. Bye. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe, press that button. Thank you.